Okay, this morning we filmed a little video of Blazing Monster Machines for Toy Time, and when the twins got their Thomases involved, it gave me an idea for a track. They're at nursery now, but I want to see if I can get a track which can go through the loop-de-loop and then see if Blaze can go around it. So let's have a look. Okay, so I'm definitely going to need some supports, so let's grab some of these down. And yeah, they're not going to fit in there for Blaze to be able to go around as well. So got a couple of these little ones. Let's use these. That's going to have to go in there. And then I can use either side to get a couple of bits of track. Okay, well, let's just give that a test run. Oh, he made it part way, but he crashed. Oh no, I've got a feeling it's a little bit low. Yeah, he's just scraping on the edge of the track. I might need to figure out a way to make this a little bit higher for him to go through. Okay, I made a few modifications, as you can see, by adding some track pieces underneath to give here the track the height it needs for Blaze to be able to go underneath. Let's give it a test and see if it works. Yes, it does. Now, I just need to get the track to loop around and connect. The kids are going to love it when they get back from nursery. Okay, let's get this track done. Gonna have to loop around here. And again, I don't think Blaze will fit underneath the track. So let's see if we can raise it up. Let's add this one. What do you got under? Oh, did he just hit it again? Yeah, but just get stuck. So if I just bring it back a little bit, that should be fine. Okay, he gets through there. Now to get down this big double ramp, I'm going to need to use the super descender. It's a double level one and gets us down really nicely. And let's go around the corner. We have, I don't know if you noticed, a really squeaky floor. I think I need to come back here, and if I line up, I might just get the track actually to go through there. I think that could be good, and then Blaze can jump over it. Okay, and then if I do a long one here, a little one, and then another long one, it's creating its own little natural hump. So I don't need to put in any supports for that little ridge. And then I think we just need to get around to there. Let's put in the curve and I think a switch, because the kids love switches. And then I'm actually going to add some Brio track pieces because, let's face it, you need to have an exciting track, otherwise the twins won't play for long. And they love this Brio stuff, especially the metro station. And we need side-ins, especially when you've got two kids playing at the same time. So if one of them wants to go off or do their own thing for a little while, The other one can still play, and we can just put the train in the sidings. Okay, we're almost finished. Just need to link these bits up. And we are done. Let's see how it goes. My favourite train is Hero, especially as we have motorised, so you pretty much always see me using him, especially to test out tracks when the kids aren't here. Let's see if Blaze can get past Hero when he's on the track. And he can. And now let's see if Hero goes around it okay. Well done, Blaze. Good jump. Whoa! Down the super descender. Hero's chugging along nicely. Which way are you going to go, Hero? Into the sheds? So guys, what do you think of the track?
Great! Because they through the loop, you know.
It does, doesn't it?
Yeah, and when the blazes are moving, the trains can see the blazes. They were growling and move. We're proper told. There is once you watch this blaze go through the loop. Yeah, but they want him to, and I think people through the here. Yeah. But he doesn't come through. Can you go through when he moves? Whoa!
Whoops, all the trains just fell off.
Ah! They fell.
Lily, I think you need a car. Oh, let's try that again.
Ready?
Whoa! Did we have a crash in the middle? Pickle went flying. And Blaze, and they crashed into this and broke it.
Yeah. Ah!
What's happening? Blaze is good at doing the loop-de-loops. What? They're all upside down. How's the train gonna go over there now? Oh, Lily, if you move a train around to here, can one of them jump over, do you think?
I think.
Can you move your Thomas around? Thomas! Come round, Thomas. Oh, don't forget your carriages, Annie and Clarabelle. Whoa! These jump straight over. Bye everyone. See you next time.
Bye,